Hey fam, the word of encouragement for today is, "In you, Lord, I have taken refuge. Let me never be put to shame." What's up fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole and I am back with another video. Yes honey. So in this video we're going to be taking these finger coils out to see the final results. So stay tuned and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with this Pro Growth, and I'm just gonna put some oil on this scalp because we can't be having dry scalp, okay? Ooh yes, massage that scalp. Oh my gosh, you probably could hear it. So try not to make them frizzy or whatever. Do y'all see this gray hair? OMG. But let's see what it's looking like. We're just gonna separate these hairs like so. I separated it into like 3. Okay, 4. Look at that. Y'all see that? That's so cute. I should have made them bigger. I like the chunky ones better. I like the way the chunky ones came out better. So all we're doing is unraveling, trying to separate like so. So I'm gonna try to get all these out and I'll be back. Ooh. Aww. Look how cute the big one looks. Oh my goodness. I wish I could find my pick. I hope I'm getting them all. I'll show you the one in the front. I just unravel, split it, and then if I want, I split it again. So it has more curls. It's so cute. These edges, we are gonna put something on these edges because they are looking crazy. So far it looks crazy, but I think it's gonna turn out really cute. So it's good to have some oil or something on your fingers so it's not too frizzy, you know what I mean? I know you're probably like, what in the heck? But it's gonna come together, watch. But yeah, they're not crispy or anything, so I absolutely love that. Like, look, it's not crispy at all. Very soft. So that's why I like that Cantu Shea Butter, because like I said, it doesn't leave your hair crispy. It's very manageable, so you could get these twists out. All right, I'm gonna have to turn around so you guys can see the back. Just when you think you're done, you find more. Look at that one. That came out the cutest, I think, by far. Oh my gosh, come on. I think I got them all. My scalp is itchy. I think I got them all. So this is what it's looking like as soon as you pull them out. Of course, you can separate some more. I want to try to keep them a little defined so that tomorrow I can do some more unraveling. This is what it looks like. Yes. This is the closest thing I found to a pick. So we're about to give it a go. Just to uplift the root, nothing more. This actually works really well, okay? Finding new ways to do things here when you done lost your pick in the house. It actually feels really good too. Huh, who would have thought? this is kind of cute. But next time, I'm gonna make them really big and juicy, because the tiny ones, not so much. Not unless you're looking for that tiny look. I like it. The big ones make for more juicy, defined, like, I don't know how to describe it. Juicy, defined curls. Like this was a big one. You see how it springs? Like that. Like I like that. So I think I'm gonna have to do it over, and I'm gonna have to do them big and not small. Because I have some small ones and some big ones, of course, because like I said, I couldn't see the back too well. I couldn't see the back at all, honestly. You can rock out with this one or two ways, 3 ways, 4 ways. You can rock out with it like this, do some more separating, and I'll turn around so you guys can see that. Or you can go in with a shoelace and do a puff. And that's a good look too. And you can smooth up your edges and stuff, you know what I mean? So see, that looks even better because you've already fluffed out the roots. And this gives you like a nice little curly defined afro as opposed to just a regular puff, you know? So this is so cute, like little Shirley Temple curls, yes. So I just wrap it around, tie, pull. You've seen it, you've seen the magic. Yeah, you have your defined curls in here, and then you can separate them a little bit better and a lot more to how you want it to look up top. Well, anyways, you know what the deal is. You just get to fluff in and doing what you do, but this is what the top would look like. And you can separate the back a little bit more too. And like I said, you could just smooth up your edges here and smooth up right here, and then you're good to go, honey. Or you could do some baby hairs, because y'all know I'll be pulling these things to the gods. Like, I done slick this up to the gods, baby. But yeah, what we're gonna do is do some edge control here on the side. We'll see about a little swoop-de-doop. You can also rock out with a headband, however you choose to do it. Like me, I like to hide the hair, so that's why I use the shoestring. It works really well. Like you can't see it, you just tuck it in the back. And y'all already know, I told y'all I don't really have like baby hairs, but I'm gonna try to see if I can find some of them in here. Yes, this is how I pull out my baby hairs. Look, y'all, I have a couple. Yeah, today is just like a real mellow day. Like your girl's not trying to do the utmost. So we're going in with, we're going in with the Cantu Shea Butter Extra Hold. And it actually holds really well, but once you get into the heat, it just curls back up. So it stays down and it looks really good for the most part. Like, see? It looks really good for the most part, but once you hit that heat, it's over. It's a wrap. So I have to apply some gel. So I'm about to go in with my got to be, because like I said, as soon as I step out into the heat, it's gonna be a wrap. And it's not that hot today, but this one makes it like a more pasty, sticky feel. So I like to just put that right over it, and if anything, rebrush it into place. Because you see, look, like it's already starting to curl up. So I put this over the Cantu edge control, and it just stays in place, and I like that. I ain't gotta worry about tying no edges down. Like, I ain't gotta worry about none of that. Yeah, I'm gonna rebrush these one time for the mind. Okay. We're gonna rebrush that real quick. Ooh, that's some excess. Yeah. Look at the slickness. It's even better. It's even better. And I'll just wipe away whatever. This side always want to give me a hard time. Y'all know one side is good and the other side be like trash. For real. One side be straight trash and the other side be like, I'm beautiful. Like, I don't know what's going on here. It was looking so good and now it's looking like straight garbage. Straight garbage. Y'all comment down below if y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, acting a fool. All right, I think we got it. So I really don't care if my edges match. I always do like two different things or whatever. Sometimes I'll swoop it this way or swoop it the other way. But because you're never gonna get it perfect, so why try to match it up? You know what I mean? So I'm like, yeah, let me just do what I wanna do. And then my edges look how they look on one side. Okay, and then they look how they look on the other side, so you get two versions of me, honey. Okay. But that pretty much concludes this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, okay? Because we get it in over here with a little bit of everything. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.